So our before lecture of this the genetic engineering. So we are already completed in this the unit 3rd, that is a protein engineering. So now's lecture we are the discussing that is a purification of this the recombinant protein. Okay, so in this the genetic engineering of this the protein, so we are the modify this the protein for to the various purposes. So we are already discuss. Okay, so after this the modification, so next procedure is that, so this modified the protein, so how to we are to the isolate. Okay, so now we are discussing the how to isolating of this the recombinant protein from that of the modification technologies. Okay, receptor mediated, okay, we know about that. So different type of these the receptors are present onto the particular type of these proteins. Okay, in this the protein, it is made up of the 20 different type of the amino acids, and they are also contain the some receptor like on these the surfaces. According to the receptor, so we are to the isolating that the recombinant proteins. Okay, suppose आपण काय केलेलं आहे, एखादं रिसेप्टर्स त्याच्यामध्ये काय केलेलं आहे, इंजिनिअरिंगला मॉडिफाय करून त्याच्यात इन्सर्ट केलेला आहे. ओके, आणि तो रिसेप्टरचा को रिसेप्टर आपल्याला माहिती आहे, तर आपण काय करणार, एखाद्या चेंबर्स मध्ये, जसं की वी नो अबाउट दॅट द वेरियस टाइप ऑफ द क्रोमॅटोग्राफिक resin exchanger. Okay, in this the cationic exchanger, anionic exchanger. Okay, in this type, so we are putting the co-receptors on this the exchanger resins. Okay, then we are putting this the recombinant containing the protein on that of the solution. After this the addition of this the recombinant engineering protein on that of the chamber, so this is the co-receptor that is binding on this the receptor target molecule, and then after, so co-receptor and the receptor removing solution, so we are apply on this the chamber. So in this the we are the isolating the recombinant proteins, isolating the recombinant proteins. Okay, so here is the methods for to the receptor mediated isolation of this the recombinant protein. Okay, so the next recombinant protein isolation, that is a second method, that is a charge exchanger. Okay, so we are already discussed in this the industrial biotechnology papers. Okay, these are the downstream processing, that is a various ionic exchanger are the present. Okay, in this the ionic exchanger, so we are the using for to the purification and the isolation of these the products like the cationic exchanger, anionic exchanger, neutral exchanger. Okay, so we know that in this the protein they are contain the amino acid, and these the amino acid, these are the some amino acids are the acidic in character, some amino acid are the basic in nature, some are the neutral in nature. According to this the characterization and this the specification of this the protein. Okay, so we are designing the exchangers. Okay, this in exchanger, so this is a protein in this the acidic in nature, so we are designing the basic cations. Okay, suppose this is the anionic in nature, so in this the resin, it in this the chamber of this exchanger, that are we are the cationic exchanger, we are the inserted. Okay, according to this the positive and the negative interaction can be occur on this the exchanger. Suppose it is our the recombinant engineering protein, it is a cationic in nature, so in this the chamber for to the isolation, this is a anionic in nature. Okay, cationic anionic reaction can be formed, that is a bond word between the electrostatic bonds can be formed between these the molecules, and then to that molecules can be isolated. Okay, this is also one type of the isolation of this the recombinant protein. Okay, another type of this the antigen antibody. We know that any antigen that can be bind to the antibody, and then to form the agglutination and the precipitation type of the reaction. Okay, we know that the antigen it contain the epitopes, and the antibody it contain the paratopes, that is a co-binding to the each other because of the specific receptor molecule that are present on between these the two molecules for to the binding of these the various types of the bond, like the electrostatic, bundle of the force of the attraction. Okay, hydrophobic reaction that can be formed between the two molecules. Okay, antigen plus antibody. that form the bond. Okay, so it is also the one of to the specific methods for to the isolation of the protein targeting, protein isolating. Okay, suppose एखादा एंटीजन आपल्या जे आपण एखादं रिकॉम्बिनंट प्रोटीन तयार केलेलं आहे त्याच्यावर एखादं अँटीजन असेल. ओके, त्याच्यावर जो अँटीजन असेल मग आपण काय करणार, त्याचा को अँटीजन इन दिस द को अँटीबॉडी तयार करणार. त्याच्या अगेन्स्टची जी अँटीबॉडी आपण काय करणार, इन विट्रो कंडिशनमध्ये तयार करणार. सो आफ्टर दिस द ॲडिशन ऑफ दिस अँटीजन अँटीबॉडी दिस फॉर्म द प्रिसिपिटेशन. आफ्टर दिस द प्रिसिपिटेशन सो वी आर कॅरी आउट दिस द टार्गेटिंग रिकॉम्बिनंट प्रोटीन ऑन दॅट ऑफ द solutions. Okay, this is also type of the protein purifications. Okay, another purification of the recombinant protein is that the size exclusion method. Size exclusion method. It is also one type of the method for to the isolation of the recombinant protein according to its molecular size. We know about the gel electration, gel chromatography. Okay, in these the isolation of the molecule according to the molecular size. Okay, suppose we are the तयार करणार आहोत आपण एक रिकॉम्बिनंट protein in this of the in vitro conditions. So this recombinant protein is according to the detachment of the size. Okay, according to the size, so we are carry out the isolations. Okay, this is also type of the purification or the isolation of the protein through the size exclusion method. Okay, so this is the methods. Another method is a color forming method. Color forming methods. It is also one type of the methods. It is a not attractive methods. So in this the method, so we are isolating this of the recombinant protein through the gene expression. Okay, suppose the some genes are the expressed in the form of the proteins. In the form of the proteins means it is act on the particular substrate. Okay, this is the, suppose this is the protein, recombinant protein. So in this the normal bacteria, that is a Z protein. This is the lactosoperon. In this the Z protein, it is a for to the beta galactosidase activity. Okay, this the normal protein is not present in that of the host organism. So we are added these the genes on the organism. So the replication, then to the transcription and the translation protein are the form. So this protein are the form. So how to we are the isolate according to the act on this the substrate to changing the substrate with the adding of this some coloring agent. So it is confirmed that to the isolation of that proteins is present on the that solutions. Okay, so these are the methods for to the purification and the isolation of the recombinant proteins. Okay, it is a isolation of the recombinant protein lectures. Okay, so next lecture, so we are discussing the unit 4th in this the genetic engineering. Okay, thank you for watching this video.